Analytical models abstracting sense for organization. The future of big data. Analyzing data is nothing new. Organizations have been doing this for ages. In the past, it was called as the business intelligence or descriptive analytics. It involved looking into the past from 1 minute ago to several years ago. The objective was to answer the question what has happened within our organization. In the past few years, we saw the rise of big data and predictive analytics. This involves analyzing vast amount of data to predict what is about to happen. The future of big data, however, lies with prescriptive analytics. The objective of prescriptive analytics is not only to predict the future outcomes, but also to make recommendations based on those outcomes. In focusing on what, when, and why of future event, it attempts to answer the questions, now what or so what. And it completely changes the game of big data. Prescriptive analytics can be seen as a last step in really knowing your organization. Despite being so new, prescriptive analytics promises to be extremely powerful and accurate in its predictions. Prescriptive algorithms use a large variety of techniques such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, and mathematical science to understand the impact of future decisions and adjust actual decisions based on that outcome. This will drastically improve decision making as it incorporates future possible outcomes when making a prediction. Prescriptive analytics example. One of the most well-known example of prescriptive analytics is the Google's new self-driving car. During every trip, it makes multiple decisions about what to do based on those predictions of future outcomes. For example, when approaching an intersection, the car needs to determine whether to go left or right, and based on various future possibilities, it makes a decision. So the car needs to anticipate what might be coming in terms of traffic, pedestrians, etc. The effect of a possible decision before actually making that decision. Another example of prescriptive analytics would be in the oil and gas industry. Prescriptive analytics enables analyzing a variety of structured and unstructured data sets to optimize tracking in the oil and gas fields and predict performing and non-performing oil wells. Another application is to use prescriptive analytics to optimize the materials and equipment necessary to pump oil out of the ground or to optimize scheduling, production, inventory, and supply chain design to deliver the right products in the right time in the most optimized way for the right customers on time. Conclusion. With prescriptive analytics, things are being done in a little bit differently. Algorithms are unleashed on data with only minimal rules telling them what to do. They are programmed in such a way that they can take over and adapt based on changes in established parameters. Instead of humans controlling the algorithms, with algorithms optimizing automatically, their ability to predict future outcomes become better with the time. Of course, in order to do that, massive amounts of data are required. Fortunately, we live in a world that is consistently creating exactly that. And although prescriptive analytics is currently the focus of only a few big data startups, prescriptive analytics has tremendous potential to be a destructive force on business and how decisions are made. It has the capability to fundamentally enable, transform the industries and make organizations more efficient and effective, as it is already doing in the oil and the gas industry. Ending our chapter of different analytical models and how organization could extract the sense from it. Moving on to the next module, social profiling of a customer and augmenting business intelligence.